Hey guys, this is just a short interim. I've actually started another project, one that I wanted to get on with, which is this tailstock offset device. I'm going to work to the plans more or less. I've made a very slight start and I'll try and video a bit more about it when time permits. Anyway, I just got these gear cutters today, and I don't know how they'll stand up to use, but they were extremely reasonably priced. I can't remember the link for Amazon. I dare say a search might turn them up. I mean, I bought these, I spent with shipping about $90 I should say. But the set of 8, DP16, and unless I can find it, I'm looking for somewhere. I think I've got a 44 tooth gear for the old Raglan lathe, and if I don't find it I'll have to make one. So anyway, what I may have shown these before, this set of gauges, gear gauges, very useful. I may have shown them before and I tucked them away and I forgot I had them, but amazingly useful, extremely useful. Anyway, using the 16, I think you can see perfect match, and the details on here, it gives you most of what you might want actually. We're talking about 14.5 PA, which is very common. 0714 addendum. Oh, hang on, that's 14, sorry. Yeah, there's the 16. Get lots of reflection here probably. 0625 addendum, 14.5 PA. 1348 full depth, 1963 circular pitch, and plugging in figures into my Web Machinist version 11, it's easy to calculate what's needed. But I thought these were very good value. The comments for them were generally fairly good. Somebody said the numbering was wrong, but that's number 1 and that's number 8. So we're going from 12 to 13 teeth, 14, 16, 17, 20, 21, 25, that's 25, 26, 34, 35, 54, 55, 134, and 135, and 135 to infinity. I doubt if I'll use that one. But for 44, it looks like this would be the one. I've got to do some measurements on them to make sure they are correct for what's needed. And if I can't find it, as I said, maybe make a 44. 44 and 52 on the correct studs on this lathe approximate to 25.4, which is metric for inch, and apparently is very, very close. And I don't have to do metric much, but it's something I did want to sort out. Anyway, finally, oh, Randy Richard, bless him. I just bought a small dovetail cutter from him, and he sent me this hex stainless scribe. My gosh, Randy, these are so nice, so nice. So thank you very much. He threw that in and I much appreciate it. So beautifully done, and obviously helped quite a bit by having that wonderful turret system for speed, but even so, absolutely beautiful. And these came in a box with with Chinese written on it, of course, and we'll see how these perform. It may well be, as I've got only one decent chunk of aluminum, I may well use aluminum and not risk the cutters on anything too hard, because we're talking about very occasional use. I meant to mention too, these are 20mm on the bore, and I'm not sure about the keyway, but I'll have to make an arbor. It's another little job. Anyway, that's it, real quickie. I'll hope to return soon when I get on with the tailstock offset. Okay? Catch you later. Bye for now.